Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more content like this. Is the Nexo wallet a safe choice for your crypto? Find links to the Nexo wallet and its services in the description below. Designed for secure storage, management, and growth of cryptocurrency holdings, the Nexo wallet is a trusted platform integrated into the broader Nexo ecosystem. This ecosystem offers features such as crypto lending, interest-earning accounts, and instant credit lines. The wallet provides a secure and versatile solution for both holding and earning from your crypto, making it ideal for users of all levels. A key advantage of the Nexo wallet is its seamless integration with the Nexo platform. This integration provides access to high-yield interest accounts, paying out daily on deposited cryptocurrencies. Nexo supports a wide array of assets, from Bitcoin and Ethereum to stablecoins and more. The user-friendly interface caters to beginners, while advanced functionalities like instant crypto-backed credit lines are available for seasoned crypto enthusiasts. Security is paramount, and the Nexo wallet prioritizes it with industry-leading safeguards. These include military-grade encryption, two-factor authentication, 2FA, and biometric security options for mobile users. Furthermore, Nexo collaborates with reputable custodians like BitGo and Ledger Vault, ensuring that funds are held in secure, insured cold wallets. An additional layer of security is provided by Nexo's impressive $775 million in insurance coverage for digital assets, giving users added peace of mind. Looking to grow your assets? The wallet's Earn feature allows users to generate competitive interest rates on their holdings, with rates reaching up to 12% APY, depending on the asset and loyalty tier. Interest is compounded daily, and funds can be withdrawn at any time, providing maximum flexibility. Available on both iOS and Android, the Nexo wallet app synchronizes seamlessly with the desktop platform, enabling effortless portfolio management across all your devices. Whether your goal is passive income generation or simply a secure and insured wallet, the Nexo wallet offers a comprehensive solution. Explore its features and get started by checking the links in the description.